Just installed a new micro switch on the clutch. The old one wasn't really working, so.
I was given trouble shifting. Won't move forward.
Yeah.
E53 code.
You know, you get a new micro switch if you have that issue. Let's see if it goes forward without jumping a lot. I just got the thumbs up. That means the micro switch works. Before, it wasn't working. So when you're pushing the clutch, it wouldn't actually like
it's supposed to.
We're just gonna take the Panther out in the field, give it a little test run with the new micro switch. If anyone of you guys own a Panther, you know how rough it is when you let off the clutch. So. Do love a power shift. AC 440. Air ride seat. That's what's cool about the Panthers. They got that air ride seat. Panther 1000 KP 1325, and last winter the wind destroyed our old hood. It was that flip up kind like this, and the wind destroyed it. So we found a long nose off of a tilt hood off of a different Steiger, and
CP 1325 CP.
Yeah, we got one off a CP 1325, and we built the mounts and we converted it over from that other design. So now it's a one-piece hood, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. We've always wanted to do that, but the wind was so strong that it actually really destroyed it, and that gave us a reason to actually go with the swap. Yeah, towards the end of the video, I'll show you our other panels. So if you look on YouTube and a bunch of images and stuff, you always see Panther 1000s like a hole right about there on the other side. And so we built our own piece like this, and I'll show you at the end of the video. This Panther 1000, we found a 3-point off another Panther 1000 in a wrecking yard, and we installed it on this tractor a bunch of years ago. So our Panther is one of the few that have the 3 points on it now. Soul Girl's got brand new Firestones on it, 23 degrees. The radials, the size is 23/134. I don't know if you can see it.
They all go bad. You can barely see through it. This one's broken here. The plastic's broken.
Yeah, I wish Steiger didn't have to do the plastic stuff.
Ruined it from the old normal we needed a new micro switch because it wouldn't go into gear, it would go into neutral. So we had to get one ordered, cost quite a penny, but without it, it wouldn't go. So now it's going, as you can see, working really well. I love the power shift.
Here's a video of the 3 points. So we got this off of another Panther at a wrecking yard, and we put it on here. I don't know how many years ago that was now, but yeah, not many Panthers had this. To my knowledge, is only the farmers that special ordered a Panther 1000 with the 3 points got them. So to my knowledge, it's kind of rare to have a 3 point on a Panther 1000. I remember it weighed a lot. I'm not sure how much, but I do know it weighs a lot. And as I mentioned earlier, again, here's our custom-made piece. Usually on YouTube and other images on these Panthers, you know, there's always like a hole somewhere over here. And so we kind of were fed up with it. So we made our own piece. It's aluminum. Let me get up here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It was pretty cool. It's full aluminum. And if any of you guys own a Panther 1000 and you want to get those pieces, we custom make them, and we can make one for you and send it to you. So if any of you guys want these pieces made in aluminum, comment down below, and I'll reach out and I'll connect up with you, and we'll exchange info and we'll get these made for you. No problem. Anyways, as I said before, this is from a CP, but we got a KP because the old hood was destroyed. Got the radiator brace here. Did a little bit of custom stuff to it. But anyways, this video's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick little micro switch, and we hope to see you again. See you next time, guys.